Searching the web from 0 to 10, then 20, then 30, I'm weeping again. 37%, oh the burden I bear. Cancel the renew, use a new email with care. VPN across borders, don't fear the Chinese text. It's English deep down, don't be perplexed. Back up your data, translate the page. A bargain hunter trapped in this digital cage.
这悲剧。
我在网路上搜索，从 O 到 10， 再到 20 searching， 我又泪流满面。37的折扣啊，这沉重的负担，取消自动续订，换个新邮箱，别犹豫。VPN 跨越国界，别怕那中文字，内核是英文版，别被它困住。备份你的资历，打开标题翻译，一个困在随笔牢笼里的撒加猎人。Midnight light, 37% in my sight. It's cheaper, it's better, but it hurts just right. New email, new life, clear the cache, start again. VPN look like Chinese, but the code is pure. Back up your files, the only why am I so blue? Helium and 10, I'm lost without you. Well, I started at 0 and I worked my way up. Found 37, poured it in my cup. You want that deal? Listen close, my friend. Let the cycle end. Turn on your VPN, change the place you reside. Don't mind the language like the English version guide. Back up your data before you sign away. It's a lonesome road, finding discounts every day. 37% off, move, move, move. Cancel the renew. New email address, VPN in the air. The web page is Chinese, baby, I don't know it's English inside. Yeah, you know what to data. Translate the view. The discount is high, the sorrow is deep. Across the seas with VPN, the Portland's why those symbols are foreign. The English truth resides inside. Back up your lane.